Struggling to manage vendor projects and invoices? What if you could streamline vendor collaboration, track projects effortlessly, and gain real-time financial insights, all in one platform? Introducing the Vendor Portal Management System, your intelligent solution for seamless project tracking, automated workflows, and efficient vendor management, powered by AVASOFT. Built on the Microsoft Power Platform, this all-in-one system integrates Power Pages, Power Automate, Power Apps, Power BI, Copilot Agent, and TeamSpot to automate processes and enhance visibility. Effortlessly log in using Azure AD authentication, giving vendors, internal users, and company admin the access they need. Once inside, the dynamic dashboard provides a real-time snapshot of projects, active tickets, financial data, and more. Sync customer data seamlessly with Salesforce, no manual effort needed. Whenever an opportunity closes, your records update automatically. Gain real-time project insights with KPI tracking, audit histories, and interactive dashboards, all in one place. Assign roles, control access, and manage user approvals effortlessly with a built-in approval workflow. Monitor revenue, estimated costs, and overdue invoices with AI-powered financial insights. Resolve vendor issues faster with the Ticket Center, equipped with smart filters, escalation workflows, and audit tracking. Simplify billing and invoicing with a single consolidated view of financial transactions. And that's not all. The Copilot Agent delivers instant insights, while the TeamSpot keeps you updated with real-time escalations and project notifications right inside Microsoft Teams. Take control of your vendor management with automation, collaboration, and real-time intelligence. Feel free to reach us at sales@avasoft.com for any questions or demos. We'd love to connect with you.